Is it time to buy or sell Meta stock? In this video, we're diving deep into Meta. Our initial report was published on our website on Monday, the 3rd of February, 2025, and now we're here to provide you with an even more detailed analysis. Remember to subscribe, hit the like button, and turn on the notification bell to stay updated on our latest analysis. You don't want to miss any crucial updates that could impact your investments. Enhance your trading decisions by trying our newly launched AI stock analysis tool powered by GPT-4 at StockInvest.us. Tap into the power of AI and receive free price predictions and deep analysis for any one among 45,000 companies worldwide today. Please note that this video is for informational purposes only and should not be considered as financial advice. Since the 15th of January, 2025, our system has categorized Meta as a hold or accumulate, assigning it a score of 0. Now let's examine the stock's performance during this time frame. Throughout this period, the stock has exceeded our expectations, achieving a gain of 13.02% since we initially recommended purchasing Meta just 13 days ago. This results in an average return of 1% per day since its classification as hold or accumulate. A score of 0 suggests that our system predicts considerable volatility and risk for the upcoming trading day. In light of recent developments, we cannot ascertain the stock's next movement, as it may go in either direction. The stock has broken through a strong upward trend, indicating an even more robust rate of increase. Should there be any pullback, support will be provided at the peak of the current broken trend, which is at $683.33. This level may present a second opportunity for a significant gain. According to fan theory, $741.19 will likely be the next potential peak level, serving as a resistance point that may not be surpassed on the first attempt. The current 3-month trend suggests a potential change of 15.05% over the next 3 months, with an expected return ranging between 3.17% and 12.72%. Regarding the 12-month trend, it indicates a 35.7% change over the next year, with a potential return between 5.38% and 24.05%. This translates to a price range of $735.01 to $865.18 after 1 year. Our latest daily update for Meta includes the headline, Green Day on Monday for Meta. The Meta stock price increased by 1.2% on the last trading day, which was Monday, 3rd February 2025, rising from $689.18 to $697.46. It has now experienced gains for 10 consecutive days. It is not common for a stock to achieve such a streak, and brief declines should be expected. During the last trading day, the stock fluctuated by 4.26%, reaching a low of $675.25 and a high of $704. The price has risen in each of the last 10 days and is up by 13.82% over the past 2 weeks. There was an increase in trading volume on the last day, along with the price, which is a positive technical indicator. In total, 2 million more shares were traded compared to the previous day. Overall, 21 million shares changed hands for approximately $14.83 billion. Over the past 52 weeks, the highest stock price reached was $710.79, while the lowest price was $414.50. Currently, the price stands 1.88%, or $13.33, below the 52-week high of $710.79, which is also the all-time peak for the stock. Meta Platforms has made significant strides recently by hiring Shadi Nair, a former TikTok executive, to strengthen ties with metaverse developers and creators. This move signals Meta's commitment to expanding its ecosystem in the metaverse, which could enhance user engagement and drive future revenue growth. In its fourth quarter earnings, Meta reported impressive results, with a 21% revenue increase driven by AI advancements that improved ad performance. This has led to a bullish outlook, justifying a strong buy recommendation with a fair value estimated at $793 per share. Additionally, Meta's substantial investment of $60 to $65 billion in fiscal year 2025 aims to enhance AI infrastructure, which will be crucial for long-term growth. Analyst sentiment has shifted positively, labeling Meta as undervalued alongside peers like Apple and Alphabet. The stock recently rallied 14%, trading around $700, with projections suggesting further upside potential to $773 and even $908 in the future. However, amidst these positive developments, Meta also announced it may halt development on AI systems deemed too risky, highlighting a focus on responsible innovation. The balance between growth and cautious investment will be essential for sustaining long-term stock performance. Overall, these factors indicate a favorable short and long-term outlook for Meta's stock as it aims to navigate challenges and capitalize on emerging opportunities. Analyst ratings. On Thursday, January 30th, 2025, it was reported that Piper Sandler assigned Meta an overweight rating along with a hold recommendation. On the same day, Benchmark provided Meta with a buy rating and suggested an upgrade action. Additionally, on January 30th, 2025, Bernstein rated Meta as outperform while recommending a hold action. Also on that date, Barclays gave Meta an overweight rating along with a hold recommendation. Lastly, Pivotal Research assigned Meta a buy rating with a hold action on January 30th, 2025. Analysts have assigned Meta stock a general neutral rating. They have classified the price-to-earnings ratio as strong sell and the price-to-book ratio as strong sell. However, for return on investment, the analysts have rated the stock as strong buy. The following signals have been identified for Meta. The Meta stock demonstrates buy signals from both short and long-term moving averages, indicating a positive forecast for the stock. Additionally, there is a general buy signal resulting from the relationship between these signals, as the short-term average surpasses the long-term average. In the event of downward corrections, support is anticipated at $675.98 and $623.53. A decline below any of these levels will trigger sell signals. A buy signal was generated from a pivot bottom point on Friday, December 20th, 2024, and thus far, the stock has risen by nearly 20%. Further increases are expected until a new top pivot is established. Moreover, a buy signal is also present from the 3-month moving average convergence divergence, or MACD. Volume is increasing alongside the price, which is considered a strong technical indicator. Here are some other signals you might find interesting. Moving average convergence divergence, buy signal. Pivots, buy signal from 28 days ago. Bollinger, buy signal from 1 day ago. Short-term moving average, buy signal from 14 days ago. Long-term moving average, sell signal from 15 days ago. The relation between the short and the long moving averages indicates a buy signal from 42 days ago. If we examine the 12-month chart, we observe short moving average, buy signal from 14 days ago. Long-term moving average, buy signal from 125 days ago. The relation between the short and long moving averages shows a buy signal from 118 days ago. Remember to visit our page at StockInvest.us if you would like to discover more signals. Support, risk, and stop loss for Meta. Meta finds support from accumulated volume at $687. This level may present a buying opportunity, as an upward reaction is expected when this support is tested. The stock exhibits average daily movements, and with strong trading volume, the associated risk is deemed medium. Over the past day, the stock fluctuated $28.75 between its high and low, representing a change of 4.26%. In the past week, the stock experienced a daily average volatility of 3.61%. Before we dive into the potential trading levels for Meta, let's quickly cover some essential fundamental data. First, the price-to-earnings ratio, or PE ratio. This significant ratio measures a company's current share price relative to its per-share earnings. This is a relatively normal PE ratio, often seen in businesses with long track records or predictable revenues. In other news, the next earnings report for the first quarter of 2025 is expected on the 23rd of April, 2025. Analysts' consensus estimates are at $5.35. Keep an eye on these numbers as they can greatly impact stock prices. Now let's discuss some potential day trading levels for Meta. There's no significant resistance from accumulated volume above, which means the stock could move upward swiftly under the right conditions. In this case, you might want to enter a position and use volume to determine when to exit. On the downside, Meta encounters its first support level at $687. If this support level holds, it could be a good entry point, anticipating a rebound. The combined average rating for Meta from multiple analyst sources is neutral. let's take a look at some recent insider trades. On the 28th of January, 2025, Newstead Jennifer conducted an insider sale of 905 shares of Class A common stock. On the 29th of January, 2025, Zuckerberg Mark conducted an insider sale of 22,946 shares of Class B common stock. On the 29th of January, 2025, Zuckerberg Mark conducted an insider sale of 292 shares of Class A common stock. On the 29th of January, 2025, Zuckerberg Mark conducted an insider sale of 328 shares of Class A common stock. On the 29th of January, 2025, Zuckerberg Mark conducted an insider sale of 618 shares of Class A common stock. Based on the 100 most recent insider trades, we've calculated the insider power to be negative, with a ratio of negative 40.536. Overall, insiders purchased 68,838 shares and sold 163,951 shares in the last 100 trades. Our recommended stop loss is set at $674.44, reflecting a decrease of 3.3%. This stock exhibits moderate daily fluctuations, indicating a medium level of risk. The relative strength index, calculated over 14 periods, stands at 85, which significantly heightens the risk. A buy signal has emerged from a pivot bottom identified 27 days ago. Is Meta stock a good buy? Meta shows several positive indicators. However, we believe these are not sufficient to classify it as a buy candidate at this moment. Instead, it should be regarded as a hold candidate, meaning to hold or accumulate shares while we wait for further developments. After assessing the volatility and movements from the previous trading day, our analysis indicates that the current price is overvalued. For trading on Tuesday, the 4th of February, we anticipate that Meta will open lower, decreasing by $5.22, with an initial trading price of $692.24. It is important to remember that trading carries a significant risk of financial loss. Therefore, it is advisable to consult with a financial advisor before making any decisions regarding the purchase or sale of securities. Do not rely solely on StockInvest.us for your investment choices. By utilizing this information, you acknowledge and accept full responsibility for your own investment decisions. This is our current view of the stock. Do you agree or disagree? Please share your thoughts in the comments below. What is your target for this stock? Remember to like and subscribe. We wish you successful trading and hope you have a wonderful day from all of us here at Stock Invest.